Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can place buildings into RH Dance Studio. You are going to select host and you're going to select btools import, and then you're just going to type in the working code. Hopefully it's here. Okay, yeah, it's here. So you're going to type in 2025 RH Dance Studio working codes. There's a bunch of videos online for you to search up. Make sure they work or else they're not going to spawn. To get to that area, type in fly and you're just going to fly and you're going to go to the area and whoops. To finish flying, just press E. There we go. And here is pretty much the cute building. There's a bunch online if you want to search for more places to dance in. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.